What's up, YouTube? My name is Ty, financial advisor. Welcome to my channel. Please like the video, please subscribe, and catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. So here's AMC Entertainment. This finishes at $12.81 today. That is down 10.67%. This stock did make top 10 on StockTwits today. I believe it was number 2 after SPY. Had about 9,000 mentions, so once again, we're going to analyze it. So no company-specific news to justify this price action today. Just the overall market getting wrecked, especially growth and meme stocks. And of course, AMC is one of the biggest meme stocks. So almost an 11% sell-off today. Very nasty. Let's jump right in here and analyze. So first of all, we have a cup and handle in the making. Bottom of the cup being 970, and there can be multiple possible tops. It can be 1585, and if it is 1585, that would currently be a bearish indicator, because that would mean the cup already topped out and is due for a pullback to form the handle. But it can also be 1890, 2985, or 3480. And in the longer term, this is part of an even bigger cup and handle, where the top can be 3675, 3760, 4325, 4460, 4615, 4480, 53, 5515, 5805, 6110, 65, 6875, or even the high of 7260. So for the most part, those are all bullish indicators. That is telling us that the stock should come back up to one of those tops to complete the cup. We do have a descending wedge here. Right now, it looks like this is consolidating between 1560 and 1280. So it looks like there's a bit more consolidation to go. This might consolidate around $14, and then it can break out from there. So it looks like a bullish indicator. And then we do have a double top developing. So here's the first top at 16, first bottom at 10. Second top at 16. So this may come back down to $10 to form a double bottom, and that would be a bearish indicator. And then from there, it would turn bullish to form a triple top. And if you guys want to follow along, the link to the chart is in the description down below. So right now, this is trading between the sideways channel, the rectangle of 1290 and 1265. So if this goes to the upside, next levels of resistance would be 1290, 1370, 1410, 1465, 1535, 1585, 1650, 1690, 1730, 1780, 1855, 1890, 1955, 2035, 2065, 2115, 2245, 2325, 2360, 2435, and then 2535. There is resistance above 2535, but we're not going to discuss that right now. And if this goes to the downside, next levels of support would be 1265, 1245, $12, 1160, 1090, 1040, and then 985. There is support below 985, but we're not going to discuss that right now. So right now, at this current price, 1280, the channels to the upside and the downside are pretty decently sized, so expect a regular amount of price action either way this goes. However, if/when this breaks 2115 to the upside, the channel starts to open up and get pretty wide, so expect a significant increase in price action if/when this breaks 2115. And to the downside, if/when this breaks 985, the channel starts to open up and get really wide, so expect a significant increase in price action if/when this breaks 985. RSI is currently at 46, so very average there. According to the RSI, the current price of 1280 is around fair market value. Maybe it should be a little bit higher. And this did 55 million in volume today, way below the average of 94 million. So the sell-off today was not confirmed by the volume. Okay, guys, just my opinion, not financial advice. So there's not too many indicators to go off of here. But long term, this definitely looks bullish. Got a very strong indicator in the cup and handle. But in the short term, this may pull back a little bit more. It may go as low as $10. So therefore, if you want to go long, not financial advice. Honestly, the current price of 1280 is a pretty decent entry. Not the greatest, but not terrible. Very average entry. So you can't go too wrong here at 1280. But like I said, this may pull back down to $10 to form a triple bottom. And then from there, it'll go bullish. So I think 985 is some very critical support. Really shouldn't go lower than that. And from the current price of 1280, that'd be about a 25% downside. So in the short term, this may come back up to 3480 to complete the cup. And from the current price of 1280, that'd be over a 170% upside. So a lot of upside potential. So in the short term, 170% upside potential, 25% downside potential. So I would say going long here would be a medium risk, very high reward play. Definitely worth a shot, in my opinion. The upside far outweighs the downside here. So I can't support going long at 1280. Then you can just average down at the supports that I mentioned before. Now, if you want to go short now, financial advice, I would not do that, and I would not recommend that for the same reasons I said that going long was a pretty decent play. 170% upside potential, 25% downside potential. So while there is money to be made here on the downside, it's not really worth it, in my opinion. I would say going short here would be a very high risk, medium reward play. the upside potential far outweighs the downside potential. So there's a good chance you get burned and squeezed out here if you go short. You should have went short anywhere from the $30 to $20 range. Here at $12.80, it's a bit too late to go short. Very risky at this point. So while there is money to be made on the short side, just not worth it. I don't recommend it. If you want to go short, please do that at your own risk. So pretty straightforward, guys. Long term, the stock looks really good. In the short term, this may pull back a little bit more, but really shouldn't go lower than $10. So $12.80, not exactly the best entry, but very average. Can't go too wrong here. And if it pulls back, then you can just average down. And it is possible to make some money going short here, but not worth it in my opinion. Way too risky for my liking. So if you want to go short, please do that at your own risk. So sorry to everyone who lost money in the stock today. And good luck to everyone currently in the stock and to everyone looking to take a position. This is AMC Entertainment. Thanks everyone for watching today. I appreciate you guys. Please like the video. Please subscribe. And catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. You apes already know. Diamond hands to the moon. I'm Ty. This is Smarter Gambling. See you guys tomorrow. Peace out.